You've just texted that stunner, the one you got her number the other day, and you checked your phone, she hasn't texted you. You check your phone again in a few hours, she hasn't texted you. You check your phone the next day, she hasn't texted you. She's never gonna text you. And in this video, I'm gonna explain exactly why she's not gonna text you. Hey bro, it's Nav here in the Mediterranean Sea, representing Beach Game, baby. And we had a question on the comment section from Alexandra, and he was saying, what does it mean for the number to stick? So today I want to explain exactly what that means and how you can overcome it. So a number to stick, it means for her to text you back and come out on a date with you. Right, so it means a solid number. What's the opposite of that? A number flaking. You know, it's probably happened to you. It's very common where, you know, you have an interaction that's not solid. It's really windy here in the Mediterranean, baby. Wind game. It's probably happened to you where, you know, you have an interaction and it's not as solid as it should be. Or maybe you think it's solid. Right, and you message her and she just doesn't text you back. So the reason for that, the reason she flaked and she didn't text you back is because of two major reasons. Number one, it was a friend zone conversation. It was just chit chat. You know, it was like talking to a grandma. She didn't even know that you were interested in her, right? You weren't flirting. This is what we call attraction. There was no attraction at all, zero. So what you want to be doing is first go into attraction, right? Build that, and then you do the second thing. Now, this is the second major reason why the number flakes is comfort. There's no comfort in the attraction. You don't know her, she doesn't know you. So you did the first part, which is attraction, well, and you went straight for the number. You skipped this part. Attraction is like an emotion, right? It quickly subsides when you leave the interaction. So you could actually build attraction in 2 minutes and get the number, and she will actually want to see you again. In the moment, she's like, hell yeah, this guy's got a good game and I want to see him again. But when she walks away and, you know, a few hours, next day you message her, that emotion is completely gone. And she doesn't know who you are. She hasn't invested in the conversation. So therefore, she's like, why should I even message this guy back? Why should I even go on a date with this guy? Right? It will be a time waster. So comfort is getting to know her on a genuine level and her getting to know you. So it's the 90-10 rule, 90% about her and 10% about you. And then the second part is the investing. She needs to invest in the conversation. If she doesn't, then it's kind of like, oh, you're just another guy that wants to sleep with her, right? But if she works for it, then she's like, yeah, this guy, he's got abundance. He's probably got a lot of women around him that are high quality, so I need to work for this. And when she does that, she's going to want to return on investment. If you want to find out more about investment, check out this video right now.